have another question in the chat. This person wrote, I have a sensitive digestive system and certain food sensitivities. Acupuncture and Chinese herbs, as well as other things, have helped a lot. My mom used to have this as well, quite strongly, more so as she got old. I keep worrying, is this connected to my mom? How best to clean with this?
You know, one of the things in this question is I don't hear the person saying, I experience myself having. You have to start with not I have it, like Nello was saying, not I have it and it's locked, but I have an experience. If you're having an experience, you are looking within yourself. It's a whole nother deal. So I think that's really where you start. We've got to remind ourselves it's not outside, no matter if it's a doctor's, if it's our body, it's an experience that we have. If you use that phrase, it's a way to just jump your mind right out of it. Yeah. Got to do that step back. Basics of self-identity through Ho'oponopono, nothing outside of the self. So I can't have anything. I have an experience of da-da. I have an experience of cutting my knee open. Somehow we've got to get past how we're taught and learned and think about things from culture or whatever and get back to what we learned from self-identity through Ho'oponopono.